In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view a PDF on Google Chrome browser. Whether you're new to handling PDFs or just looking for a quick refresher on how to open these files in Chrome, you're in the right place. Google Chrome is a versatile browser that not only helps you explore the web, but also serves as a handy PDF viewer. Let's dive right in and see how you can make use of this feature effortlessly. First, you need to locate the PDF file on your computer. Now, this might sound straightforward, but it can sometimes be tricky, especially if you've got a cluttered desktop or a packed downloads folder. Use the File Explorer to carefully search through your folders. Those organized folders will help you find files more easily. Once you've got your target file in sight, you're ready to move on to the next step. With the PDF file located, but before opening it, you'll want to right-click on the file. Doing this unveils a context menu with a range of options. In this menu, you're looking for the Open With option. Hover over this, and a submenu will appear. Now, among the various applications listed, select Google Chrome. By choosing Chrome, your PDF will promptly pop up in a new browser tab, ready for you to peruse through its contents. Opening your PDF in Chrome offers several useful features. For starters, you can read the document right there in your browser. If you find the text a bit small, fear not. Chrome allows you to zoom in and out, adjusting the PDF to your preferred reading size. This flexibility ensures you won't miss a detail. Additionally, if there's a page or section you need in a physical format, Chrome makes it simple to print the PDF directly from this tab. There's a print icon conveniently placed in the top right corner of the browser window for just this purpose. But wait, there's more! What if you're working within Chrome and want to quickly check a PDF file? Well, Chrome's got your back here too. You can simply drag and drop a PDF file into an open Chrome tab, or indeed directly onto the Chrome icon, and voila! The file opens up right there for you, instantly saving time and effort. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to view PDFs using Google Chrome. It's user-friendly, convenient, and equipped with features that make handling PDFs a breeze. Next time you're faced with a PDF, you'll be equipped to open, read, and even print the document all from the comfort of Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering all the cool features your browser has to offer.